Anyway, we're gonna make over today this cute little bucket, basket, whatever it is, sitting in my stash for, I don't know, the last few months. And we're gonna use some Digital Deco Designs paper, an ode to my little brother whom I lost. So we have, these are gonna go on the front and back. I think I'm gonna do white paint, dark wax, and we're gonna add some bling from the Totally Dazzled Christmas pack. But I am gonna use some, I think I'm just gonna use some white chalk paint. So I am choosing, I went over this with, this is French linen color from Fokker. Okay, now the only thing, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of that paper that Shannon gave me and put it on top of here. It's like sticky paper because I don't want to, this is like so rough, my turntable, and I don't want to scratch up our paint. All right, so we're gonna take some Mod Podge because I'm out of pigment infuser. They are out of stock, and we're just going to, and I'm just gonna lay this on here. It's gonna be a little shy on the edges over here. So I am going to water cut that little bit off just over here. Okay, so I think that's good. Have that right there. I just want to get my little crease so I kind of know where I want it. Now this paper is, you know, this box is textured, so it's gonna be a little tricky, but we'll make it work. Flip this back up. That's so cute. So now we are going to do the other side. Okay, kind of same way. And this is just one big cardinal. But some of the interviews that I saw with the brother, I thought were a little sus. I'm just gonna iron this down. And I know it's textured, but I'm gonna just iron it down. Oh my gosh, isn't this is better than what I envisioned in my head. All right, so now we have this. So see, it's a little streaky, but we're gonna dark wax the sides. So let me grab some wax. Let's seal our images first. And to seal it, I'm going to seal it with triple thick Duraclear because I usually would do it with the infuser, but I'm out. I use triple thick Duraclear, so it's 3 parts triple thick, just remember 3 triple, and 2 parts Duraclear. Let's do the dark. I'm using Bear Wax from the Home Depot. So I'm going to show you guys. This is what I do. Now, if a little bit goes on the front, I'm not worried about it. So this is just clear and dark wax mixed together. Okay, so I kind of want to do the same. So see how I gave that a shadow around the sides there? See it a little bit over here? But I think once we add like our little glue dots or whatever we decide to do, but because I'm putting so much wax here, you're gonna have to seal this wax with another coat of triple thick Duraclear, or the wax will smear. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So look at how pretty. Now see, I could even do the same thing and just kind of roughly go over this with a little bit of wax. And then we're all gonna, but look at how pretty. Doesn't that look almost like it's the same background paper? We matched that perfectly. So I want to seal that, but you want to let that dry first. But let's grab some jute. I have some jute. You guys know I love me some jute. This is kind of going to be a little tricky. I'm going to hold it up and I'm going to start here, okay, underneath here. Okay, let me just do this too. Just cut this now. That's so pretty. So here is the Totally Dazzled. This is from the Christmas 2024 pack. And I'm going in with the 2 wreaths. I thought they'd be pretty. Now these are bright white wreaths and they do have like a little hooky do on there. But I thought they'd be cute just coming off the end here like they're hanging there. Now I am just going to use hot glue for now, but I will back that up with some B7000. Isn't that so cute? Just kind of finishes it off. Look, it's like a little purse. I mean, you probably could carry this as a purse. And then you got those cute little wreaths up there. That's from the Totally Dazzled. Okay, so look at this beautiful Totally Dazzled rhinestone snowflake. I was thinking we could put this somewhere. It's so stinking pretty. Look at how pretty. Oh, look at how pretty. See, just a little snowflake there, a little snowflake there. And then we have our cute little wreaths from the 2024 Christmas pack. I think it's darling. I think it's really pretty. I think it turned out so pretty for the holidays. You guys are amazing. Thank you, everyone, and God bless.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.